Trying to push loading now. Why don't you say what just happened and what's happening? Narrate it.
So we came to this creek and we have to get down that, but my dad didn't feel comfortable with my friend Angela and I going down that. So, and some of our friends, they're riding on the same bike, so we're just trying to get everyone down so that no one gets hurt. Or at least that's the plan. So right now they're going up to get some more people. And Angela and I went down the deep spot on accident.
Yeah. So, like, does no one want to go down?
No, no one really wants to.
It's kind of happy because that's where we're going.
Yeah. Well, we have to go through and down. So they're just trying to get.
Probably come here in the dead of winter. It'd probably be iced over. You just cruise across.
Yeah. So.
Three-wheeler going for it.
Yep. My friend's three-wheeler is gonna see if he can make it down with his wife on the back. Oh, lovely. There they go. How was that?
I was expecting. I was like, yeah, it came over the brook.
Oh, that was hilarious.
I got on tape too.
Alright, looks like everyone else is coming down.
Alright, everyone's trying to get down. There's my dad is going first, then Angela's dad Larry, and then our friend David is coming down after them. So hopefully we all made it down safely. Here's my dad, Larry. And now, David. Go, David. Yay. Well, we all made it safely.